Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with Vinny. It's been a while, I guess. And I missed them so much. So I just saw this video which is entitled Beanie Funny Moments 2025. This was made 3 months ago and I really wanna watch it. Because I'm longing for a Beanie. I'm actually very excited to watch this one. So before I start the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot. It really do. And for those who already have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate that. So I'm sending hugs, love, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So might as well start the video, right? Let's start. So it's Sheena. It's been years cleaning up. It's slippery. Please be careful. Oh my gosh.
That is a natural bowler. Okay, mag-check out ka na lang. Hindi! Kasi ikaw, ganun na. Okay lang.
Their outfits though. Gwen wasn't able to handle it. And it seems like I can't handle it too. So I'm just gonna repeat it again. Isa pa isa.
Laki mo na yan! Patulang ka!
The aggressive Sheena. Hey.
Reporters were... Excuse me po. I'm so sorry everybody. There's been a commotion going on in here. I don't think he
She was really
likes
pretty
it.
with her. I mean, with her short hair.
You, kuya. You. Burger came from the Greek word burgore. Punta sa inyong paruruluan. Ramdam mong sawi ka sa pag-ibig, well, malas ka. Ang tingin mo sa akin, may matutulong ba ako sa'yo? Wala.
Tama ka, wala mali. I just laughed. And I laughed and I laughed. Sabi, nahilo, kakatawa.
Bagong experience. At Colette ay nagiging turumpo. They just, boom. Ang Ate Colette, she's the ate. Staku, she's the stocks. Ate Gwen, she's the Gwen.
Wala lang, galing kami road trip, tapos sa CR biglang nakita, Tapos yun, nahiya ako kasi alam na nila na first. So nag-cutting ako. And parang nung time na yan, excited ako. Pero ngayon parang hindi.
Kasi sabi na pag nagka-mens ka daw. Tama. Kasi my moment, tataba na ako bukas. Sumuha ko ng napkin ng modest, without wings pa to. Pagkasuot ko, parang, I'm now an adult.
Tapos sa lahat ng kaklase ko, ako na lang yung sobrang baby. Kasi nga parang, baby.
Nakakatawa yung akin. Kasi, may hagdan kami. Alam mo yung hagdan na kahoy. So pag nabasa, madulas, natakbuhan kami doon. Eh di nadulas ako. Tapos ako kinabahan ako. Naupo ako sa, anong pangalan na? Pillow. Naupo ako sa pillow. Ano na lang, mag-ingat ka sa school ha. I-check mo yung palda mo na ako. Check ako ng check. Ganun ako ng ganun. Grade 7 ako nun. Grade 7. July yun, July. Ako din! July sa... Akala ko
Ay, subscribe.
What happened?
Ay, subscribe.
Hey. Is a bug? Bruh. Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Uy.
Parehas ang palaya, bay.
Flashback.
Ano na lang ilong mo? Ano?
We're so excited to expand our merchandise all over the globe. It's our thank you for the overwhelming support from
Wow.
all of you. Salamat
Sa amin, tuwing may mga meetings po kami, siya lang po yung may dala ng notebook, siya yung nagtitake notes. Tapos kapag ano, parang
Let's go. Under street lights 8B. Let's go dun, oy!
that's it.
Ay, ang seryoso pagdating sa akin.
May lumabas pong bear. Kuya, di naman ako na masyado nagulat nung una kong kitang nandito siya.
She's so cute.
Ano yung nakita mo?
Bear?
We will have Sheena give her question, which is, what's my period pain hack? Period pain hack.
Nagano
Wow.
pa siya na.
Ay, maganito. Hindi. ano?
Raise yung...
Taas niyo yung paa niyo, actually.
Okay.
Raise your legs or lift
go.
your
That's
legs. What was that? Oh, it was stuck.
Cute naman ni Jo. Ay, GR ka na pala gabi yun.
Close kami. Tapos ngayon, nag-decide kami mag-duo na. And, alam niyo po ba, sige magkwento ka.
Magbigay ka ng
One.
most memorable mo ng August. Really? Yeah. Hindi naman naman individual, as in yung ikaw lang.
Sa August?
Oh, short lang, keep it short.
Hindi, magsasabay yung buong buhay
Just like my page.
So,
Ang ganda ng ano.
Oh! Gasgasin kaya natin.
Intrusive thoughts.
Grand Universe. Billboard Korea. Paasap, California.
NFT po.
Nagpailaw kami sa ABS. KCON LA.
Canada tour.
ako po, lahat ng rest day namin.
Yes. Rest is very important. What happened to me? Oh my gosh, I really want to go to one of their concerts though.
I'll give you my photo card.
Muntik lang matumba yung mikropono.
Okay, number 3. Bini Pasalubong.
Guys, we're late. Okay. New destination, new pasalubong blooms. Check your email to know if you're one of the 8 chosen blooms na nakakapagbigay sa amin ng pasalubong. Ayan, mababasa niyo sa art card dyan sa gilid. And sa mga gustong magpaabot ng pasalubong, just scan the QR
Both
code
of them
na nakikita
are
ninyo ngayon sa
dying
screen.
at the back.
Ayan.
Yep.
Yes, and that's it for today, blooms.
Ang daming makakatulog ka na naman mamaya.
The 25th. Guys! Salamat po. Yes. Hindi, si Maloy po ang nakatulog sa Hamilton.
Yeah.
We can take off.
Guys, alam niyo ba nung start ng Hamilton, nakaganito ako. Tapos, buti na nakatabi ko si Next kung ganyan ako. Guys,
Masyadong kilala, so baka
Okay.
gusto mong kilalanin ng konti.
Okay. Kayo, itatawag ko sa inyo. Bini.
Ba't kinabahan ka bigla?
kinabahan ka, Joanna.
Kinabahan ako pag Bini yung in-interview. Sige, go. Bini, di ba balita ko nga, Bini, balita ko nga may ginagawa kayong,
Haba pa ng hair ni Sheena dito.
may ginawa kayong, may donasyon kayong ibinigay para sa mga tao. Ano yung thoughts nyo about it? Hello?
Napatingin si...
After ni Joanna malutang, sisisihin niya yung members. So she's the only one who have the right to think.
Yes, sana...
Sure, sure.
Thank you. Anyone?
Casual convo.
Wait, anyone want?
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate your time watching this video with me. And yeah, see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, bye-bye for now.